self-driving.
Oh, right,
Or
yeah.
enhanced autopilot, as they call it. Autopilot. Full self-driving. Summon. Do you want to enable summon and smart summon while in beta? Hell yeah. Navigate on autopilot. Yes. Okay, hang on. Lots more covering their ass. Are you sure? I'm just going to say yes. Yes to everything. It's a good philosophy for life, isn't it, Samantha? Say yes to everything.
Yes.
I think this enhanced autopilot, which allows you to navigate while on autopilot, which means if you've got a destination set, the car will automatically leave exits and stuff. I think that only works on motorways. Because I don't think this is full self-driving, because I think full self-driving is not yet legal in Europe. We got all of our merchandise, right, on board?
Yeah.
Because in today's vlog that we might be filming, it's about the best status of merchandise.
Excellent.
We've got hats, t-shirts.
You're not wearing a hat yet.
The reason that we just washed the Tesla is because when we get to the airfield, I'm planning on putting you in the driving seat,
Excellent.
me on the one wheel with a camera, a nice tracking shot.
Excellent. Any excuse for me to drive the Tesla? What's the speed limit at the airfield?
There isn't one. Okay, right now, navigate on autopilot. Okay, that's new, that button. So now, okay.
Oh, great. I
So
love
it's
driving with
supposed to be
Charlie when he doesn't have his hands on the wheel.
So yeah, watch. It's like it's steering around that corner nicely.
No hands.
No hands. You
Not
are supposed to keep your hand on the wheel, so it just wants to feel that you're in control. So this is, I think, supposed to be a little bit of a teaser of what full self-driving is like.
Yeah.
This is
Just to
autopilot.
confirm
This
that
is
you are
full
not
self-driving.
steering with your knees
No.
or your hands.
So it's going to steer around the corner.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
It's going to slow down because the van's slowing down. It's clever, isn't it?
I mean, that's insane. I don't know what's more insane, the technology or the fact that I'm not even paying attention that nobody's driving this car.
Look, it's very good. It keeps us at the speed limit. Exactly the speed limit.
So
Even though that naughty
the algorithm is a better driver than you.
This feeling of discomfort right now it's why everyone says, "Oh no, oh no."
I mean, I still can't even use cruise control.
But all it is, it's just a lack of trust and lack of experience of it working. A bit like people saying, "Oh, I'd never let a stranger stay in my house."
Yeah.
And then gradually they hear more people doing it. Oh, okay, I'll try it then. It's the same. This is safer than a human being. I find that sometimes it gets a little bit closer to the curb than I would like, but that's just me not wanting to come. So they're at 50 miles an hour, and it's accelerating. This is the really interesting. Okay, it knows that it should be turning off. Is it going to indicate?
Can it indicate?
Don't know. Don't know why I think that would be clever, but
It would be really clever. I feel like a little tiny hand will come out.
yes.
Oh my god! Ah!
Fail. It didn't like it.
Oh! Oh, my palms are sweating. Woo!
That was a bit of a fail, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's designed for turning off motorway slip roads where there are solid white lines.
Right.
And I'm guessing, but what flummoxed it there was that as soon as it went across the dotted line to exit the main road, it couldn't detect a curb. There was no curb or white line. So I thought, oh god, I'm off road. And that's when it flashes the red wheel and says, right, take me back. Take back control.